Living in a daydream, in too deep, in too deep. I'ma give you everything, I'ma give you everything, forever everything. You and me gon' no sleep, gonna keep it all G. On the same team, same damn team. Tell my body 6 feet, I'ma give you everything, forever everything. I'm that off the phone Cadillac, drive like a maniac, killer like Zodiac. Shop to your cardiac, till the end, got your back, even when you're gonna crash. I'm still gonna ride with you, ride with you, ride with you. You know I'd die for you, die for you, die for you. Put it all on the line for you, just to keep it bulletproof. Stay with me tonight, I'll be your alibi. I'll be your
In the corner, start playing. In the corner, start playing. Oh, baby, yeah.
ready for the backlash, Sarah Connor combat. I'll be back, I'll be back. I'ma give you all I have, I'ma give you all I have, forever all I have. You are my habitat, dedication to the max. Never change that, won't change that. I'ma give you all I have, I'ma give you all I have, forever all I have. Yeah, we're different from the masses, we go back Jurassic, baby, we're tested. With you to the casket, mellow the dramatic, even through the madness. Yeah, I'm still gonna ride with you, ride with you, ride with you. You know I'd die for you, die for you, die for you. Put it all on the line for you, just to keep it bulletproof. Stay with me tonight, I'll be your alibi. I'll be your alibi.
Players from the other team were just complaining about getting spawn sweep. That's it. Yeah, I know.
They literally spawn sweep us.
I know. So I'm gonna tell the other team too, but for right here, they cannot pass.
I came around their back.
They
can't bend the.
You cannot pass it. All right.
Alright.
On that side.
Fuck it, just go.
Respawn, dude.